Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to share some sari fashion choices of Teju Ashwini. Let's dive right in. The beauty effortlessly carries off traditional silk saris with grace and poise. Whether it's a rich Kanjivaram or a Banarasi silk, she chooses vibrant colors and intricate patterns that accentuate her beauty. Embracing simplicity, Teju sometimes opts for lightweight cotton saris with subtle embellishments or border work. She pairs these saris with statement blouses or contemporary jewelry for a modern twist. She also loves experimenting with designer Georgette saris that feature unique prints, textures, and drapes. She selects soft pastel shades or bold prints, depending on the occasion, and accessorizes minimally to let the sari shine. The actress has a penchant for handloom saris, particularly those with unconventional drapes or contemporary interpretations. She might drape a traditional handloom sari in a contemporary style or pair it with a trendy belt to add a touch of modernity. For special events or red carpet appearances, Teju often opts for fusion sari gowns that blend the elegance of a sari with the convenience of a gown. These outfits feature innovative draping techniques, intricate detailing, and contemporary silhouettes, making her stand out on any occasion. The actress knows the power of a statement blouse in elevating a simple plain sari. She often pairs an intricately embroidered or embellished blouse with a plain silk or chiffon sari, creating a striking contrast that catches everyone's attention. She may opt for a modern dhoti drape, a mermaid drape, or a butterfly drape, showcasing her creativity and fashion-forward approach to traditional attire. Teju celebrates the rich cultural heritage of India by incorporating regional handloom saris into her wardrobe. From delicate Chanderi saris to vibrant Patola saris, she showcases the exquisite craftsmanship and unique weaving techniques of different regions. The actress often adds a modern twist to her sari ensembles by layering them with stylish jackets or shrugs. Whether it's a denim jacket for a casual outing or an embellished jacket for a formal event, she effortlessly combines the traditional elegance of the sari with contemporary outerwear. Embracing her playful side, the actress occasionally opts for printed saris featuring bold motifs, floral patterns, or abstract designs. She chooses lightweight fabrics like chiffon or georgette for comfort and pairs these saris with complementing blouses for a cohesive look. Teju Ashwini isn't afraid to break fashion norms by pairing her saris with unconventional bottoms like palazzo pants or cigarette trousers. This fusion ensemble offers both style and comfort, allowing her to move with ease while making a fashion statement. With a keen eye for vintage fashion, the actress occasionally revives old or heirloom saris from her collection. She gives these saris a modern makeover by altering the blouse design, adding contemporary accessories, or experimenting with draping styles, ensuring that they remain relevant and stylish. Being environmentally conscious, Teju also advocates for sustainable fashion choices. She often selects saris made from eco-friendly fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo silk, or recycled materials, supporting ethical and environmentally responsible fashion practices. The actress creates striking monochrome looks by pairing saris and blouses in the same color family. Whether it's an all-black ensemble for a glamorous evening affair or a pristine white sari for a daytime event, she proves that simplicity can be incredibly chic. The actress often adds drama to her sari looks by pairing them with stylish capes or capelets. Whether it's a sheer chiffon cape for an ethereal look or a structured cape jacket for a contemporary twist, these additions elevate her sari ensemble to new heights of sophistication. The actress has a penchant for saris adorned with intricate embroidery, be it delicate threadwork, sparkling sequins, or traditional zari. These embroidered masterpieces exude opulence and luxury, making them perfect for weddings, receptions, and other grand occasions. Teju embraces the trend of cinching her saris at the waist with stylish belts. Whether it's a slim metallic belt for a touch of glamour or a wide embroidered belt for a statement look, she effortlessly combines traditional elegance with contemporary styling. The actress experiments with playful ruffled saris that add volume and movement to her ensemble. These saris feature ruffled borders, pallus, or pleats, creating a whimsical and romantic vibe that sets her apart from the crowd. Teju loves to layer her saris with additional drapes or panels for a multi-dimensional effect. She may add a contrasting dupatta draped over her shoulder or layer sari pallus in creative ways, adding visual interest and texture to her outfit. The beauty embraces modernity by pairing her saris with trendy crop tops or bralette blouses. These contemporary blouse styles add a youthful and fashionable vibe to her sari ensembles, perfect for semi-formal events or casual gatherings. For a chic and sophisticated look, the actress occasionally layers her saris with tailored trench coats or long-line jackets. This fusion of traditional Indian attire with Western outerwear creates a fashion-forward statement that's both stylish and practical. Teju Ashwini isn't afraid to make a bold statement with saris featuring artistic prints or motifs inspired by paintings, sculptures, or other forms of art. These avant-garde saris showcase her appreciation for creativity and individuality in fashion. The actress elevates her sari looks with statement jewelry pieces that add sparkle and glamour. Whether it's a chunky neckpiece, oversized earrings, or a statement bracelet, she uses jewelry to accentuate her outfit and express her personal style. The actress collaborates with designers to create customized sari ensembles that reflect her unique personality and style preferences. From custom-printed saris to handcrafted embellishments, these one-of-a-kind creations ensure that she stands out in any crowd. The actress occasionally opts for saris with detachable trails or extensions, adding a touch of regal elegance to her ensemble. These trails, adorned with embroidery or embellishments, create a captivating silhouette as she moves, making her presence truly mesmerizing. Teju experiments with layered blouse designs to add dimension and interest to her sari looks. She might opt for a blouse with sheer panels, intricate cutwork, or layered fabric, creating a visually stunning effect that complements her sari beautifully. The actress incorporates playful fringe detailing into her sari ensembles, adding movement and flair to her look. Whether it's fringe borders, tassels along the pallu, or fringe embellishments on the blouse, she infuses her outfit with a fun and dynamic energy. The actress showcases her love for art and creativity by wearing saris featuring hand-painted artwork. These bespoke pieces often depict nature-inspired motifs, abstract designs, or intricate patterns, turning her sari into a wearable work of art. Teju embraces the allure of sheer fabrics by incorporating them into her sari ensembles. She might choose saris with sheer pallus, net overlays, or organza panels, adding a touch of sensuality and sophistication to her look while maintaining elegance. The actress experiments with saris featuring asymmetric hemlines, creating a modern and avant-garde silhouette. Whether it's a high-low hem or a diagonally cut pallu, these asymmetrical details add drama and interest to her sari ensemble. Teju appreciates the artistry of handcrafted applique work and often chooses saris adorned with intricate applique motifs. These meticulously crafted pieces add texture and depth to her sari, showcasing the skill and craftsmanship of traditional artisans. The actress enhances the beauty of her saris with lavish embellished borders featuring sequins, beads, crystals, or metallic embroidery. These ornate borders frame the sari beautifully, adding a touch of luxury and opulence to her ensemble. Teju explores saris that offer convertible draping options, allowing her to experiment with different styles and silhouettes. Whether it's a reversible sari with contrasting colors or a convertible drape that can be styled in multiple ways, she enjoys the versatility and creativity these saris offer. The actress embraces technology in fashion by wearing saris featuring intricate digital prints. These digitally printed saris often showcase vivid colors, intricate patterns, and photorealistic images, adding a contemporary edge to her traditional attire. And there you have it, those are some of Teju Ashwini's favorite sari fashion choices. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.